right, so number 2, we're multiplying fractions. The steps that we said to do were this. Step 1 was to write the problem sideways, which is already written sideways. Step 2, change any mixed numbers or whole numbers into improper fractions, which there aren't any. Step 3, cross simplify. So the 1 and the 9 here for number 2 cannot be simplified. The 4 and the 8 can. So 4 goes into 8, or sorry, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice. All right, now I'm going to multiply straight across. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. Then we need to check our signs. We have a negative times a negative, which is going to equal what? What's negative times a negative? Yep.
Positive.
A positive. And then can I simplify any more? No. So my correct answer is 2/9. The next one, if we work through our problem, or work through the steps, step 1 says write it sideways, which is already written sideways. Step 2, change them into improper fractions if you have mixed numbers. So we're going to have to do that. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over the 4 times 2 over the 3. Now we're going to check and see if we have any, if we can cross simplify, which we can. 2 goes in here once, 2 goes in here twice, 3 goes in here once, 3 goes in here 3 times. This is going to make our number so much smaller if you cross simplify. So 3 times the 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 goes into 3 how many whole times? Yeah.
1.
With how much left over?
1.
Over?
2.
Yeah, so 1 1/2. Nice job. This last one, the weight of an object on Mars is about 2/5 its weight on Earth. How much would an 80.5-pound dog weigh on Mars? What would you guess you're going to do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Yes.
Multiply.
Yeah, you're going to multiply. So, first I'm going to write them sideways. However, I'm going to change this right away into an improper fraction. So 2 times 80 is 160 plus 1 is 161 over 2. Can I do any cross simplifying? Yeah.
The 2 goes into 2 once.
Yeah. Good. So now 1 times 161 is 161. 5 times 1 is 5. Anyone know how many times it would go in there whole? Yes.
32.
32 whole times? If you're not sure, this is really what's happening, because this is a lot bigger number. This is what you can do. 5 goes into 16 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Got a 1, drop the 1 down. 5 goes into 11 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. And you have a remainder 1. So you have 32 whole. Remainder 1 is your numerator. What is my denominator? What's my denominator going to be? Jacob?
5.
5. You can either say, okay, whatever you use here, or you can go back over here and find out what your denominator is. So 32 and 1/5 what? Yeah.
Pounds.
Pounds. Good. So LBS is your label.